Hi and welcome to Chef's Review. On my workbench today, a chocolate dispenser from Royal Catering. A device perfect for a hotel banquet or a buffet or in a cafe or even on the pastry section in a restaurant for a constant flow of hot chocolate. There are many important and interesting features, so let me just go through all the details for you. So starting on the top, you have a plastic lid. This gives you access to the main container where the chocolate goes in. It has a 10-liter capacity, is made of polycarbonate, and when you start the device, one important hint, when you pour it in, so either you pour it in already, like melted, or when you want to melt it, just pour it in gradually, so bit by bit by bit, so when the first bit is dissolved and melted, you put the other one in already. Otherwise you may block this stirrer, this rotisserie that goes all the way around. When you switch it on, it is to prevent the chocolate from creating any lumps. All right, you don't want lumpy hot chocolate, right? All right, the heating element itself is in the base, so it's in between the main container and the body of the machine. And this actually works as a bain-marie, so on a water bath. It fits around 3.5 liters of water. You just pour it in, switch it on, and the heating element with the power of 1000 watts heats the water, and through the water it melts the chocolate and keeps it warm at the desired temperature level. Moving on, you have this really nice pouring spout with a pusher. I just show you in a second how it works. The pusher is there when the liquid is really thick inside. You just push it in and out and help it to go through the spout. On the bottom you have a removable drip tray, so when it's dirty or needs cleaning, just take it out, clean it properly, and you put it back on. Alright, controls. Controls are very simple. So you have an on and off switch and a temperature regulation, so you can set the temperature between 0 and 90 degrees. But for your hot drinks you probably need around 60-70 degrees most. For tempering chocolate, 45 to 48 degrees. Okay, so how about I pour you a cup of chocolate. So all you do, you place a vessel, a glass or any container underneath it, and just pulling this, the handle gives you this nice flow, or you can take it out for even nicer flow, or you can even push it just like that. So that's basically how it works. Alright, that's pretty much it. So, if you're looking for a chocolate melter or a chocolate dispenser, just have a look at the website. There's a variety of those on offer. So you will find definitely the one that you need most for your business. The producer of this one gives you a 3-year warranty. And when you order it, it will be sent to you in a really sturdy cardboard box with lots of packaging material in it for a really safe trip to your business. Also inside you will find this instruction manual. Please have a read. There's a lot of useful information how to disassemble the machine and how to operate it in the first place, and all the useful information in order to keep it safe and use it properly. So that's about it. So if you found this informative, just leave me a comment in the comment section what other equipment you want me to test, and I'll do it for you. I thank you guys very much for watching, and I'll see you next time.